Hi everyone, welcome to Mirror Conversations with Goddess. This is episode 611. Amazing, 611. I was doing a writing process here, I can't remember for what, but it says that I'm at 3 out of the 8 hours and 18 minutes. And so I wrote, "Good morning, I feel so good that I slept in." If I feel so good, if every time I sleep in, it means that I felt good, because it's not what I'm saying. It doesn't say I feel so good. It doesn't say I slept in and I feel good. I say I feel so good that I slept in. That's actually quite telling of my state of affairs and of analysis and perception compared to most people I know. Actually, everything still feels up in the air, but it's happening. What? I am grateful to have this opportunity to purchase property. Like, this really is surreal because everything is up in the air, kind of, right now. And I am grateful to purchase this fourth property. This here is the second land that I purchased, and this is zone 3. And right now, I am in the process of purchasing zone 1. When this is visible, this will be on private and not visible until it will have been purchased. So if you're watching this, it's either I gave you a private link or it's no longer private, which means we will have been on the other side. For now, this super resonates. I'm grateful to have this opportunity. It says, I'm grateful to have everything still feels up in the air, but it's happening. I'm grateful to have this opportunity to purchase property, even if I'm a bit scared of the whole process. This last property has more pressure because it's on the beach, and it feels like so wow to have that opportunity. So it's more intensified, and yet I feel less pressure or less scared. I have some reservations. I don't have some reservations. I have some things I don't feel magical about, like the actual house. I'm so over that now, knowing that I can work around it. I would have built it and laid it out completely different. I still feel that way about the first house that I purchased, which is right there, zone 2, earth zone, with a permaculture garden, and it would have made a much better space to rent, and somehow this is helping me to really expand and see the big picture. Even though it is such a huge leap for me to purchase, I don't feel like this will be my only property at all. That's freaky. Like, if it's not obvious right now, when I say freaky, it's like, that's like, wow, amazing, auspicious. I don't feel like this will be my only property, and period. And then I wrote at all. So 2.5 years later, I've purchased that one plus 2 more, which is surreal to me, and in the process of purchasing the 4th elemental, zone 1 element, water, because it is almost in the water, on the beach, overlooking the water. So I have to keep holding this huge vision, which I evidently did, and I have to keep holding it still right now. This is the beginning, and the beginning of something huge, very huge, and this is why it feels so scary. I need to keep reminding myself of this. I will hold this space. I will hold this much larger and magical vision. Otherwise, I am being greedy, ironically, greedy with timing, wanting it to move even faster for my own convenience, when it is already moving faster than I ever imagined. Thank you, Blue God. Thank you, Costa Rica. Thank you, Talamanca. Thank you, Puerto Rico. Thank you, Playa Chiquita. Thank you, Universe. Thank you, Multiverse. Thank you for this magical opportunity to expand. I don't know what... It is already moving faster than I ever imagined. I'm going to highlight all of that. It is already moving faster than I ever imagined. Thank you, Blue God. Thank you, Costa Rica. Thank you, Talamanca. Thank you, Puerto Viejo. Thank you, Playa Chiquita. Thank you, Universe. Thank you, Multiverse. Thank you for this magical opportunity to expand. That is so... wow. What a beautiful and aligned prayer, really. Wow, this is so... Thank you. Mushrooms, mycelium, Om, I am you, you are me, Namaha.